Hi guys, I'm Nathan. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So got my kink bike right here. It's all dandy and shit, you know. Got the original kink seat with it. Got some really shitty grips. Yeah, pretty bad. I got this $60 brake system installed in this, like bad boy, Tektro. Yeah, you gotta only cool if you have the rubber band on the, what's this called? Oh yeah, the rubber band on the hub.
On the band, the shoelace.
The shoelace on the hub. Mission components.
That's right.
80. Yeah. Got the yellow or the orange to match the rim. We got contact tires, best in stock. Not really. They're pretty much they're all right. Make sure your tires are pumped up so they're nice and ready to go. Got the kink frame, and we got some like Tony Hawk stickers right here. We got something like that. They're like $2, so came out of cereal box. This bike is. We got some mission component freaking pedals. So, bam, bam. See, little bling bling. Got some bling bling action. Made in freaking China. You don't get this shit anywhere else. You don't get this. Just like how Billy May says, you get it from China, you don't get this shit at all. Anyways, we got an 18-inch millimeter sprocket. Yeah, it's pretty unique. It's pretty unique. My bolts, my nuts, pretty much on my forks. Pretty cute. Fucking not my forks. They're called metal.
Yeah.
It's called metal. Yeah. My bike.
Shocker! End it with the shocker. End it with the shocker.
And I got the.
End it with the shocker. End it with the shocker.
The J.
Nate. Shocker. What's it over here? Jimmy. Shocker.
Yeah, you're a fan. Yeah, I got what's them. Oh yeah, we got my one and only sprocket. Freaking. Spokes. Sorry. Yeah. Titanium and shit, you know, bionicle metal, fucking, not Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime can't even break this right here, you know. I made Optimus Prime. Yeah, that's my bike. There you go. What's next?